Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only legitimate way for you to download YouTube videos without having any issues with them, okay? First thing you want to do, let's launch the YouTube app. Let's take a look on the feed for video that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this video over here from Peter Santanello. All you gotta do is to click on the three dots under the video, okay? Then you want to click download, the fourth option over here. Now you have two options to download the video. First of all, you have a high quality of 720p or medium quality of 360. The only issue with this is that you should have a YouTube Premium subscription, which, as you can see over here, will be free for the first month, and then the second month will cost you $18.99. Another big beneficial of having the subscription of YouTube Premium is that you are going to watch any type of content on the platform without ads. YouTube shorts, long format videos, you'll be able to watch them without watching ads, and this is also gonna allow you to download YouTube videos without any issues. Again, downloading YouTube videos is not the same as downloading Reels or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels, right? Going on the third-party software, copy and pasting the link, okay? Here you have much more copyright issues. You have issues with the rights, not only from the actual creators, but you have issues from the YouTube itself. So the only legitimate way to download videos is simply through having the YouTube Premium subscription. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.